And so for our final piece of kit, Tom has brought along his own rescue kit. So you can get an idea about what he would take on site and what he packs for the eventuality of having to perform a rescue. Tom, over to you.
Okay. So this rescue kit basically comes with me everywhere we go when we're working at height. So with inside the bag, we have, it's basically a CRD, so a constant rate descender, which is nicely packed. And it's basically a hub with a wheel which allows you to clip sort of the rescue device onto an anchor point, clip the connector onto the casualty, and you can use the wheel to raise them up from their lanyards, to disconnect the lanyards, then to lower them back down again. So really easy product to use.
And do you know the rate of descent it gives you on that?
Yeah, so it lowers at 0.8 meters per second. So it can lower a 200 kilogram weight, so it is certified for two-person rescue. But for lifting, it can lift 140 kilograms.
Fantastic. What else is in the bag?
So inside the bag, it can either be 100 meters worth of rope, 50 meters, or 20 meters, so depending on the application. And we also provide a reach pole as well. So if you imagine if a person has taken a fall, they could be low below where the platform is, the shock pack could have extended, and they will be out of reach. So we do have a telescopic pole, which we can attach the connection point onto, which then allows us to clip onto the person and reach them without having to access and make a way down to them.
Great. Anything else in the bag?
That's it for inside the bag. So like I say, it's nice and easy. The rescue device obviously requires quite a bit of training, but once you are trained on it, it is very simple to use. The good thing about this, as long as you've got your anchor point sorted and you've got the person connected on, if you lower them down off the side, if you did let go of the device completely, which is not advised, but if you did, they will lower down at that slow descent anyway.
And as ever, depending on the rope length you're putting in the bag, it makes the bag quite heavy to manoeuvre as well?
No, quite easy. So obviously we've got the shoulder straps, which we put over, so nice and padded shoulder straps, so again, for easy manoeuvring.
Thanks, Tom. And I'm sure you'll agree it's been really good to meet Tom from Ridgegear and all the kit that he's brought in. Again, all the kit is available on our website at reaxlimited.com. Thanks for watching this edition of The Kit Room. We'll be back with another manufacturer in the near future.